Welcome to 3 Times the Magic! Today we're in Stuttgart Marriott Hotel in the city center, next to the Millennium Mall with around 290 modern rooms and great transport links. Let's see what this hotel has to offer. Hello! We just arrived at our hotel. We are in the Marriott in Stuttgart and we are just at the parking lot, so let's discover the hotel together with us. We're here for our yearly ski trip and we decided to take a little break because we're driving electric and that takes a little bit more time. So this is actually, for us it was a 7-hour drive out of Belgium to get here. In today's video we will give you a full tour of the room, show you inside the executive lounge and check out the gym and pool facilities. We'll also take you along for the breakfast and of course share our final thoughts to help you decide if this hotel is right for your next trip. You ready? You ready? You ready? 1, 2, 3 and open. Yeah, open. Push, 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 push. Hoop. Wow, such a beautiful room. So we are in the room. Let's go for the room tour. No bathtub? Okay, no worries. Okay, so we have the executive room. So we're on executive level, which means we have access to the lounge area, so we can have dinner there later. It's a very modern, nice room. Big bed, lots of space. Perfect for one night or longer, I don't know. We are at the high floor, so you have a bit of view on the woods of Stuttgart that are nearby. You also have some water, good TV. I think it's a really nice atmosphere. It's a modern hotel. I really like it. I think it's a very beautiful one. I think you would have, room to put in your clothes, etc. But we don't have any now. This is quite tiny, let's say, yeah? Yes, so we don't fit all 3 in here, but whatever is here is very luxurious and modern, I would say. Our daughter is testing out the shower, which looks beautiful. You have all these nice products. Yes, we have a shower, but no bathtub, but that's okay. And yeah, you have everything here. Nice vanity, enough towels. So I would say the room is checked. While we are heading our way to the executive lounge to have dinner, the reception will come up to install an extra bed for Gabriella and bring an extra bathrobe for my husband. They are very friendly and always ready to help. Now we are in the executive lounge where we'll see it says snacks. Let's see if we can grab some food. It is included in a room rate, so whatever we have, I think will be great. Let's tag along. Short review on the food. I think the food quality was great. You have one option to choose from when you want a hot dish, and then you have a little bit of a small salad bar and then some cheeses and charcuterie that you can choose. And you have also fruits, which Gabriella is eating. She wanted an apple, so great that they're there. And you have actually a great variety of drinks. So you have soft drinks available, you have wine, a nice coffee machine, apple juice, orange juice, anything, beer. I think like the drinks range is actually quite extended. And the food is good, anything you need. You will probably not want to eat this for a full week or something. Then you maybe want something more special. For the stay overnight, this is just really perfect. And breakfast we will not have here. I also know that they serve it here, but we will have breakfast next morning downstairs because it's Sunday and they have an extended breakfast. So let's see. And meanwhile the bed was delivered, so this is what the setup for 3 looks like. Now let's take a look at the gym. The fitness area is modern and well equipped. with a good section of cardio machines, free weights, and a space for a full workout. Whether you're in for a quick session or a longer training, it is a convenient spot to stay active during your stay. Now onto the pool. The indoor pool offers a calm and quiet setting, great for both a relaxing swim or a few easy laps. There's space around the pool to sit and unwind. Towels are available and it is a nice spot to recharge after a busy day. Simple, comfortable, and a welcome addition to the hotel's facilities. Let's talk about breakfast. The buffet offers a wide selection of both hot and cold options, including eggs, bacon, pastries, fresh fruit, cereals, and breads. There's something for everyone, whether you prefer a light start or a more filling breakfast. Drinks like coffee, tea, and juices are also available. The setup is well organized and the atmosphere is relaxed in the nice lobby, making it easy and enjoyable way to start your day before heading out to explore Stuttgart or be on our way like we will do. Final review. We had a great time in this hotel. It was perfect for our stopover or when you're visiting Stuttgart. It is a modern hotel with nice facilities. We will come back. If you like this type of content, please like and subscribe.